I recently purchased my first ever brand new Mac. I have several older ones, but I got an M2 Mac Mini. In the meantime, I have been using a 2014 Mac Mini as one of my mini computers that I sent off to DOS Dude 1, and he upgraded the RAM to 16 gigs. And I'm still using it with the open core legacy patcher on it, and it's running Sonoma, and it's great. All this made me think, I still have one of these old 2005 Mac Minis, and I wanted to do something cool with it. So I've been looking around, and I found where you can install macOS 9 on it and run it natively, thanks to the community that has made a installation for it that will allow it to do that. So on my handy dandy 2014 Mac Mini, I am burning the ISO right now on an external super drive, and I'm going to see how that goes. Okay, so here we go. Got the installation burned. Let's restart it. And then I'm going to hold down the C button when it reboots. I believe that'll boot it from the CD. So let's find out. Main screen turn on. It's you. All your Mac OS are belong to us. Oh. Yes, that looks very pre-OS 10. All right. Very cool. So actually, I guess, right? Well, we don't have... I don't know if you can run it live from the CD or not. Let's just install it, but it should let me browse the disk. I'm going to trash this disk anyway. And I'm going to, it's an 80 gig drive. I'm going to put, I might do 3 partitions in case I want to put Linux or Sorbet on it or something. I think I'm going to make at least 3 partitions. Okay, I've taken partition 2, 3, and 4, and I'm setting them to unallocated. And macOS extended for the primary partition. And let's see what we can do. All right, so this is the boot time for OS 9. On this machine. The earlier versions I know had a problem with sound running the internal speaker. Not sure if that's still the case on this one, but apparently external audio works. I've got to install the CD extras first. Oop. What's that? What's it doing? It's playing with video resolution. Huh. Did I do something wrong? No, I didn't do anything wrong. It was loading the, and yeah, from what I understand, there's supposed to be music here, and I don't hear any music. So let me get some headphones and see if there's anything coming out of the external speaker. Okay, well, I haven't gotten to check any sound yet. And actually, I just need to get a little cable to run from here to there, and then this monitor actually has speakers in it. The screen looks amazing. I gotta go find the CD extras now, and I'm gonna tinker with that and see what I can do. So I'd say so far this is a huge success. Made it very easy. Okay, it looks like there's some pretty useful utilities in the CD extras. I wonder if this USB overdrive will allow the wireless card to be detected in here. And I know Classilla is a browser that will run on these vintage machines, or these older machines rather. So I'm just gonna keep playing with this. And this isn't a how-to or instructional video, as this is my first time doing it, so I'm learning as I go. So I'm gonna mess with this, and then when I'm finished, I will post an update. But if anybody's looking for something really cool to do with these older machines, well, this is it.